steal with an attitude.
Hey, Dad. We're running into you here, huh? Hey, I think it's time for me and my new brother to bond.
I don't know, jealous Timmy. Can you put your unbridled rage aside to care for your new super baby brother?
You bet. I just want to show him some totally cool fish around the corner. So could you please willingly hand him over?
Sure, non-super son. Glad to see you embracing your super sister.